truck-like now. Sounds like a freaking moving truck now. Oh, jeez. Not quite used to the clutch yet either. Yeah, this is the old like race clutch. And it has like a very short engagement window. That's actually the first time I've stalled it. It's probably a good way of driving it. The battery sounds kind of angry when you try to start it. I was like cranking it a shitload yesterday. feel like we're at 300 by any means. I mean, and I'm not sure like what the difference is, like how you would get there exactly. Yeah, more turbos probably. Yeah, like, all right, we are now like just approaching operating temperature. Oh, that's man.
Crazy that I mean, that's 0.3 liters of displacement makes that big of a difference for power and like.
Yeah, and something about the way VW designed this like block and its coolant passages, like And maybe the fact that it's direct injection too, it runs more efficiently, but it's crazy like how little combustion is converted to heat, honestly. Or like is converted to heat that goes into the block rather. It all
few hot pulls against a Hyundai, that'll do it.
Oh yeah, a couple hot pulls versus a Hyundai. You lose and you break your car. Okay, it's not something rattling, but what is it?
There's supposed to be stuff coming out of there.
Out of here.
Is that your crankcase?
Yeah, that's pretty normal.
Vent.
I mean, it would suck if I already ruined.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 1.9.
Well, if it blows up on one section of hot pulls, it's not much of a race motor, is it?